So we have MasteryConnect. Now what? Well, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get everything started in MasteryConnect so you're ready to use it with your students. First, you need to get to MasteryConnect, and there's two ways to do that. You can do that through Clever, which is our new portal for all of our resources that allow one-click access to everything that we use. Or you can simply go to MasteryConnect.com and log in through Google. But I'll use Clever. You can find Clever in the Bookmarks tab on your Bookmarks bar, and then just simply click on MasteryConnect to be taken right in. Now I'm logged in as a teacher, so you'll see exactly what you should see on your screen. If you don't see this home page, then you will see a profile page, and that just means you've never logged in before, and that's okay. You just need to complete a few items on that profile page, and then you'll be taken to this home screen. Once you're on this home screen, the first thing you'll click on to get started is Maps. Now over the summer, many of our teams created all the maps, curriculum maps for their courses, and that is what we will use to create our classes or our trackers. And you'll find those under Maps and then Collaborating on. Now if you do not see a map created for your course, please reach out to me and we'll make sure to get that created. And I have another video that will walk you through how to organize that map so it's ready to create a tracker. So this is a third grade teacher. So we have a third grade ELA and a third grade math. And I need to create a tracker for each one because I will be using both of those with my third grade class. If I am a secondary teacher, I might see biology, botany, and any other course that I'm teaching. And I would need to create a tracker for each section that I teach. So for example, hour 1, hour 2, hour 3, because each tracker is a class that I'm teaching. So I'm going to start with third grade ELA, and I'm going to go ahead and click into this map just to make sure that it is complete, because maybe I wasn't a part of that summer work. And what I should see is color coding to show that all the standards have been color coded and organized into units. And I should even see some assessments already created for these standards. If my map is not complete, you'll see just a list of gray standards. And if that's the case, you'll want to go to that map video so that you can organize your curriculum map to the way it needs to be, and then you can create your tracker from there. But this one is good to go, so I'm going to go ahead and create my tracker for third grade ELA. So I'm going to click Create Tracker at the top right and begin setting up my class. Now this is fake third grade ELA. I'm putting fake because I'm creating a fake one that I can play around with that's not going to import and export into SIS. That way I can really master using these without messing anything up in my actual gradebook. Now I can then select a color for this course, and I can select any color I want. This is not shared with anyone, so I can use whatever color scheme I want for my sections. Maybe you want to do a rainbow order for your hours throughout the day. You can do that here. Now, if I were doing this for real, I would go ahead and import from SIS. That will allow SIS to make sure that my students are up to date with any students that came in or left my class during the semester. And then after import from SIS, I would need to select the correct course or section. So this could be hour 1, 2, or 3 for secondary, or for third grade, I would want to choose third grade language arts. Now you'll notice an identical copy for each one. Those are semesters, so I'm just going to select the top one for semester 1. And then I would hit Create Tracker. But since I'm creating a fake one, I do not want it to import from SIS. I want to just add students individually so I can create a fake class to play around with that's not going to mess up my actual gradebook. So I have my title, I gave it a color, I've added students individually, so I'm creating a fake one, and I'm going to hit Create Tracker. And now MasteryConnect has pulled in my curriculum map and will have all of my students listed if I imported from SIS. Now because I'm creating a fake one and I did not import students automatically from SIS, it's asking me to add students. So I can do this from an Excel file, I can copy from another tracker, I could add them directly from SIS and search students, but I'm just going to type in some fake ones. So I'll put student 1 and give it a fake ID, and I'm going to save and add another. So here I have my tracker and I've added 3 fake students, and you'll see that I have all of my standards that were organized into units displayed out on my screen. This is what I was excited about, to have our standards front and center with everything we do. So as we teach throughout the year, we can see the progression of standards as we go. You'll also notice our summative assessments are also pulled from that curriculum map. And if we click on any standard, we can hover over it to see the standard laid out. We can view the standard here. We can add any notes for that standard and even resource pins. We can also click into the standard and see any assessments that that standard is a part of. So now we have our tracker created for ELA. I would go back and repeat the process for math, or for my second hour or third hour, or my other courses. In another video, I'll show you how you can actually give assessments to your students for them to take in class.